productivity. I woke up yesterday morning with just, I couldn't focus on what to do with my weekend. The wife's gone for the weekend. I've got projects to do. Too many projects, right? To where I couldn't focus. Well, the key, and I tell myself this every time, is just get out there and do something. So after some naps and YouTube watching, to get me motivated, I come out in the shop and did stuff. So I, put stripes on my Patina hemi roadrunner to try to make them look original. I rebuilt the door latch on this pile of garbage, 27 Model T Roadster that I bought basically for, I don't know why I bought it, but it's here. And the latch didn't work. So why have something I don't know why is here with a non-working latch? So I'll grab so you can see what I'm talking about. But so the latch here, the screws were just, over 100 years, almost 100 years, they just became part of the metal. I mean, there was no getting to them at all. They were square drive screws that nobody uses anymore. But square drive should be, you'd think that, oh, this is going to grip it fine, like a deck screw, and take the screw right out. And that wasn't the case. It just rounded the fucker right out. So, so grinder comes out and cut into those things and got them out. And, that there's good evidence here of that. I had to get deep to get that one out though. But to get them flush with the grinder and then take the drill and drill out the rest of the shank to get the latch out. So the latch wasn't working at all. And you could feel it was just full of grit, and, there was no greasing it or anything. It had to come apart. So you can see here my spot welds from where I put it back together, but it's just pretty much kind of pressed, or, however they put it together. I wish I took some pictures. Actually, I have pictures and I'll put those in, but I wish I took some video of how it had to come apart. But they're pretty simple inside. There was a broken spring, and this is a testament to those that save all the garbage in their lives thinking that, oh, I'm going to use this one day. I have a drawer of springs that who knows why I save all these. But, today was the day. After 30 years of storing springs, this little bastard right here was exactly the same size as the busted up Model T spring that was in the latch. And I'm trying to find some in the garbage here to show you what's left, but it was pretty much disintegrated into individual coils. And so, yeah, don't throw shit away. I'm going to keep on doing that. I started beating myself up over the last couple years, like, why am I keeping this shit? And today showed me why I keep this stuff. So anyway, latch was rebuilt, put back in the car. Works like a charm. Door latches. My piece of shit Model T Roadster body that I'm not going to ever use for anything except probably out in the garden. Door latch works. It's a beautiful thing. Take care.